Hi, good evening, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, audible.
Okay, thank you. We'll wait for another minute. So we'll see anybody join, then we'll start. Okay, let us not wait. Okay, fine. So first of all, I introduce myself. My name is Sitaram Reddy. I'm based out of Hyderabad. So I have 10 plus years of experience in occupational health and safety, as well as in sustainability or ESG. So it comes to my teaching experience. I'm teaching this course last 5 years with a very good track record, I can say. I can't tell my own this thing, but there is an effort from students. They have studied well and they got very good score. You can see those the good score, or I mean to say the track record of uh, the pass percentage or the highest marks in the statewide in the IIFSE website or from the institute itself you can get. So comes to my education qualification. I'm tech in environmental engineering. Then I've done PG diploma in energy and environment management. And I do have lead author certifications in various management standards like 14,001, 45, and 50,001. And I have done some certification with respect to sustainability ISO 14067 with respect to GHG carbon uh, quantification. And I do have certification from GRI, which is Global Reporting Initiative with respect to sustainability reporting framework. Okay, that's all about me. So I have a few general questions before getting into the course introduction. So how many of you already working in EHS department? I mean to say safety department out of 18 or 19. You can unmute and you can say yes. Or if you are not working, you can say you are a fresher or you're new to this course. So accordingly, we can frame our lectures in such a way that we can blend the freshness to the safety and already who have experienced people. So we can have proper blend in the sessions. So I
No,
can
sir,
name,
I'm new to this course.
okay, you are a fresher.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you're from BSc background or you are graduate? I mean, from
I'm
BTech.
BTech, sir. BTech Chemical
Okay,
Engineering,
very good. Naveen Kumar, you
and
are
I'm
from
working.
Tamil Nadu?
Yes, sir.
Okay, நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? எனக்கு தமிழும் தெரியும். So you can ask me if you can any questions also. That is no problem. Okay, good.
ரொம்ப நன்றி சார். ஓகே.
சரி.
Um,
But yeah, yeah,
நான் இப்போ
Naveen.
ஒர்க்கும் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன் சார்.
Okay. எந்த டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல வேலை
அரப்
பார்க்குறீங்க இப்போ?
பிடெக் கெமிக்கல் இன்ஜினியரிங் முடிச்சுட்டு ஆகஸ்ட்ல
ஆஹா.
வந்து இப்போ ஜாயின் ஆயிருந்தேன் காக்கிநாடால அரபிந்தோ ஐபிஎஸ் ஃபார்மா ப்ரொடக்ஷன் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் எக்ஸிக்யூட்டிவா இருக்கேன்.
Okay,
Hello,
very good.
sir.
All the best. Okay, yes, sir. Lakshmi Das.
Sir, yes, sir, myself Lakshim Das. I'm here lead operation and HSF activity working from last 17 years.
Mm-hmm.
So, sir, everyone is speaking in English, so it will be better to us. So, your communication also, we have get something from
Yeah, sure,
if you
sure.
know. So,
No,
it will be
hence,
easy for us.
yeah, definitely the lessons will go in multiple languages. It depends on because there are students from various languages who are not able to follow the English, so we can switch the few moments to the other languages also. But purely the lectures will go in English, and it depends on the people who I mean it depends on the request. Definitely the lectures will go on English only. So hence it has been an
Sure, sure.
introduction session. So we'll be a bit free. Don't get tensed, and we are not going to discuss any subject sort of thing. So
Hmm.
moreover, it is an one-to-one discussion. Then I'll show you the complete course curriculum, and also I will explain how IIFSC will take you through this one-year course, and we'll also discuss about the examination pattern as well. Okay. So better, I think
Yeah.
instead of going randomly, I can pick the names. I think they can unmute and talk. I'll go with the, I mean, sequential order, which I am seeing in the screen. Mitesh Patil, you can talk about yourself.
Yes, myself, Nitish Patel.
Okay.
I have 12 years experience in the OMA, operational maintenance department, in the oil and gas and oil departments.
Okay. Operational maintenance. Very good. So you're almost familiar with safety things. Okay. Good. Vikas Singh. Thank you, Mitesh. If you are in mute.
Hello.
Yeah, Vikas.
Hello. Yeah, good evening, everyone. My name is Vikas. So I am working as an operation engineer in PIL. I am looking after operations of pipeline, gas turbines, and gas engine generators. I'm having an experience of 11 years. Yeah, thank you.
Good, Vikas. Thanks. Shibu Raju. Shibu Raju, if you are in mute, you can unmute and talk. Okay, fine.
Am I
Yeah.
audible now?
Yes, you are audible.
Actually,
Yes.
I'm driving. That's why. Okay,
No
I parked
problem.
aside. My name is Shibu Raju.
Mm-hmm.
I started this safety career in 2009.
Okay.
I have a quite experience in safety.
Very good.
Why I choose this safety diploma? Because nowadays the market is demanding this safety course, this advanced safety diploma. So I think that yeah, this certification will boost my career.
Definitely, I will explain about this importance of the certification also, Shibu Raju. Thank you so much. Your experience
Thank
will
you.
add more value to our freshers also. Thank you.
Oh, fine.
Yeah. Srinivas, Mittapalli Srinivas.
Hello, sir. Yeah, this is Srinivas Matlapalli.
Mm-hmm.
I am presently working with Pipeline Infrastructure Limited, gas pipeline.
Mm-hmm.
My present location is near to Pune.
Okay.
And I have a total experience of 18 years in oil and gas field.
Uh-huh.
Previously I have worked with petrochemicals and steel plant also.
Mm-hmm.
My experience includes handling with operations as well as the safety department.
Okay. Good. Thank you so much.
I
Welcome to the
belongs to
course.
Andhra Pradesh, nearby Eluru.
Okay, very good.
That's it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Srinivas. Anurag, Paul.
Yeah, good evening, sir. I'm also
Hi,
working in
good
Pipeline
evening.
Infrastructure Limited, which is
Very
a
good.
cross-country gas pipeline, and I'm a
Mm-hmm.
mechanical engineer by profession.
Mm-hmm.
I have an experience of 4 years in the O&M department, and I have recently been appointed as the HSSC in charge of my site. Hence, I've been assigned to this course of 1 year. Looking
Okay,
forward to it.
great, great.
Yeah.
Thank you. Welcome. And KSSR Santosh.
Hi, good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Right now, I'm working for PIL at CSL Station located in
Santosh, there is a background noise actually. We are not able to hear you properly.
Yeah, sorry, I'm
I think
just returning from office.
no problem.
Yeah,
Okay,
in the vehicle.
no problem. You can text in the chat. No worries.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. Kusuma J. Kusuma J. If you're speaking, you are in mute. Okay, fine. So Kasavarapu Praveen Kumar.
Good evening, sir.
Oh yeah, Kusuma. Sorry. Yeah, please.
Good evening, sir. My name is
Good
Kusma.
evening.
I am from Sandur, sir. Bellary district, sir. I am
Okay.
working in BSW, sir, safety department as a computer operator. That's why I am interested to safety in induction, sir.
You are working as a computer operator
Sir, in safety department.
in safety department. What exactly you do in computer operator? But first time hearing computer operator in safety.
Safety in induction, they will come, sir, for the safety.
Okay.
In that we will do updates, sir, safety.
Okay. You do most of
They are
the
attending classes or not.
Okay. Training coordination you will do. Okay.
Yes,
Great.
sir.
Thank you. Welcome to the course. Kasavarapu Praveen Kumar.
Yeah, this is Praveen. I'm audible.
Yeah, you are audible. Please.
Myself, Praveen Kumar, from Meluru. I am working Pipeline Infrastructure Limited from last 5 years. Before
Okay.
that, in a gas-based power plant in 5 years total, I have 10 years of experience in maintenance as an instrumentation engineer.
Okay. Great.
That's
Yeah. Thank you. I think from pipeline infrastructure we have 3 people, right? Anurag, Srinivas, Praveen Kumar. Great.
Yes, that's it.
Okay. Good. Nageshwara Prasad.
Hi, good evening, all.
Yeah. Good evening.
Am I
Please.
what? Yeah. Myself, Nageshwar Prasad. I have total 12 years experience in operation in oil and gas and combined cycle power plant also. I look operation department and HSSC also.
Okay. Great. So welcome to the course.
Okay,
Santosh
thank you.
ji.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Santosh, you're audible. Please.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I am Gadam Santosh. I am new to this course. I trained at Vizag, IIFSE. Yes, sir. That's it.
So you are a fresher. You're not an experienced person.
Yes, sir. I am now training at IIFSE, Vizag,
Okay.
Visakhapatnam, Dwarkanagar.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you. Prasad's iPhone. I think I don't know. I can see the Prasad.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone.
Good
Myself,
evening.
Prasad Garga. I am working in Pipeline Infrastructure Limited. I have
Okay.
total experience 10 years in field operations in gas power and oil, gas transportation and power. I am from Eluru.
Okay, great. So another candidate, 4 people as of now. How many are there from gas line infrastructure? How many have joined?
Mostly around 12 members.
Oh, great. First time. Shabir. Sabir Deshmukh.
Hello, good
Yeah,
evening
Sabir,
all.
you're audible.
Myself
Good
Sabir
evening.
Deshmukh. Myself Sabir Deshmukh. I am the total having the experience of almost 20 years in the gas line business, and I'm the CEO and looking after the instrumentation and operation and maintenance of gas turbine and pipeline operation center, pipeline operations.
Oh, great. Thank you so much. Welcome to the course. Yeah. Chetan. Chetan, if you're speaking, you're in mute.
Yes, now I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. Good evening, all. Myself Chetan Patil. I'm having total experience of 17 plus years of experience in mechanical maintenance. I'm looking after the mechanical maintenance of pipeline infrastructure limited pipeline and Reliance Ethane pipeline. Thank you.
Okay, great. Thanks. Welcome to the course. Manikanta.
Thank you.
Bala Manikanta.
Good evening, also. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yes. Myself, Balamanikanta. Actually, I belong to Tanuku in Andhra Pradesh. I have completed mechanical engineering BTech in 2016. I'm having total experience of 9 years, out of which 8 years I have worked in power plants. And from past 1 year, I'm associated with Pipeline Infrastructure Limited, Compressor Station 4 in Hyderabad.
Okay.
That's about me.
Okay, great. Thanks, Manikanta. Welcome to the course. Mohan.
Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is
Hi,
Mohan.
good evening.
I need only 1 year experience of NTPC Simhadri in Vizag.
You are working in
Recently,
safety or any other department?
Near, no, in the department, only safety department. Recently, I have exchanged to field operator in maintenance in NTPC Simhadri.
Okay, great. Thanks, Mohan. Welcome to the course.
Okay.
Taviti Naidu. Taviti Naidu. You're speaking.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening,
Good
Naidu.
evening, everyone. Myself, Tavit Naidu. I'm looking after operations at Pipeline Infrastructure Limited. Earlier, I was associated with combined cycle power plant. Currently, I'm having around 8 years of experience in gas turbine and as well as gas transportation.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Welcome to the course.
Thank you.
Venkatesh Jinnah.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah,
Good
good
evening,
evening.
all. Myself, Venkatesh Jinna. I am working in Pipeline Infrastructure Limited company. I have total 10 years experience in mechanical maintenance related gas engines and gas turbines.
Great. Thanks, Venkatesh. Welcome to the course. Yeah, Lakshmi Das.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Sir,
Good
myself
evening.
Lakshmidas Rabba. I have total 24-year experience, 7 years in combined power plant and 17 years in gas pipeline. I'm working as a lead operation and also HSF activity from last 17 years.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. Welcome to the course. Netaji Venkatesh.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Neeraj Venkatesh. I am from Pipeline Infrastructure Limited. I have experience around 14 years of experience in various domains in power plant and gas pipeline, as well as commissioning of thermal power plant like that. Various segments I have experience. I joined this course as per company requirement as well as personal development.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. Welcome to the course, Venkatesh. Yeah, I think we have covered everybody. Yeah, I think TBT Naidu Walla. I think it is dual. How it is? Yeah, maybe it is in duplication. Fine. So thank you so much for your a crisp introduction. So comes to this course. So basically this course, the duration is 1 year. So after 1 year, we'll be attending the exams. So in this course, there are total 9 papers. So 8 papers are the theory papers and 1 paper which talks about the project work. So if you see this curriculum, in this the various subjects will be discussed. Out of those, there are topics about the management. There are topics about various manufacturing operations and with respect to the hazards in those kind of operations and respective safety precautions. And also there is a paper for occupational health and safety. And there is a paper dedicatedly for chemical safety. And there is a paper dedicatedly for, especially for accident investigations, analysis, risk assessments and all. And there is a dedicated paper for construction safety. And there is a paper especially for engineering, I mean 1 and 2. So engineering 1 talks about especially on various kinds of operations and mechanical hazards, etc. And engineering 2 talks about different kinds of manufacturing processes and the hazards and their control measures. And the last one, which is IS 109, which is a project work actually. So if you see this, the importance of this course is, so previously, if you see the past, I mean, 15, 20 years back, so the awareness on safety, which was quite low. So nowadays, the awareness has been came up very front and the people are getting the information in the social media in the faster manner. So if an incident happens previously, unless if it is not published in paper, we are unknown about those incidents. Nowadays, within fraction of seconds or within few minutes, a world can see those kind of incidents or accidents, whatever it is happening in the industries. And the same way, the people are also exploring. They don't want to hurt. They want to live a better standard life. So everybody is cautious about their safety from home appliance itself. Even from the home appliances also, we'll see all kinds of ratings or 5-star, 4-star, maybe with respect to energy savings and so on. But similarly, we'll see the safety factors also. So comes to the importance of this course. This course, who does this course? They are authorized from the Factories Act, which is having a requirement. And also they can get certified from the inspector of factories, I mean ratified safety officers. So the companies who want to have a ratified safety officer, this is the certification where they can get the ratification from the safety department stating that he is the person who is authorized safety manager or safety officer for the organization. The initiations happens for this ratification from the HR only. We will not get this directly. The company has to sponsor or the company has to give a representation stating that the Sitaram, he is the safety manager or safety officer for our organization. So that we need a ratification for his qualification kind of thing. So there is a general formalities. We have to give all our certifications. Even the company has to publish the safety position in the newspapers. Those kind of stuff will be there. That is out of the syllabus, just for your information. This certification can be ratified. So as you see in the market, there are n number of certifications in the market. But out of all those certifications, especially in India, if at all you want to survive, if at all you want to excel your experience in safety, if at all you want to grow better in the safety department, this is the one certification which will definitely help you to go to the further levels in your position or in your career. Okay. Yes. Let's comes to the course. So the first paper, there is a pattern called IS, which is Industrial Safety, IS 101, the paper code. The first paper is Safety, Health and Environment Management. It is purely dedicatedly talks about the management concepts with respect to the safety implementation, continuous improvement, how safety can be brought together, how we can bring the people together. It talks about organization, it talks about directing, it talks about controlling of safety, and also it talks about various management principles in part of safety management and also accident prevention. and also it talks about training, etc., etc. So here we have planning for safety, how an organization can plan for safety, various strategies in the planning. Then it also talks about organizing. So how you can organize the organization structure and the various functions, and also it defines the responsibilities of with respect to improving the safety culture. And it talks about the safety committee who are working in organization. They are definitely known about the safety committee. So there we talk about the how the committee will be formed, what are the legal requirements with respect to safety committee and the functions as well as tenure, etc., etc. Then it also talks about the direction. So who will be the leadership? It talks about who is meant by the leader, what is the various attributes, which means the qualifications or the characteristics of a leader. And also it talks about various leadership styles, etc., etc. Then we have communication. So communication is the utmost important in safety, because if there is no communication, so we don't know what we are, the people are unaware about what the company is expecting from the employees. So the company or the management or a person, he has to express so what exactly he needs from others. So how like a safety officer, what he expects? So he expects everybody has to follow all the safety rules and regulations, and also the standard operating procedures which are there in the company, and they have to have a positive or a safe behavior. So he will communicate to all the participants or the employees, do the posters or any newsletters or any safety signages or training programs, toolbox talks, induction trainings, mock drills, fight drills. All these are few examples for communication. And especially in the communication, we'll see different types of communications, channels of communication, etc., etc. Then monitoring. It is nothing but MIS, Management Information System, how safety can be monitored. And also we'll talk about BAS, Bureau of Indian Standards, 14489, which talks about occupational health and safety auditing. And we'll talk about accident prevention, various principles. Okay, there we see unsafe actions, unsafe conditions, and we'll see various theories and models, which is written by various safety specialists and authors. So which how the accidents will lead and what are the various causes behind the accidents. Then we'll talk about education training. Here we'll see the training cycles, where the training starts and what are the importance of training, and why we need to conduct the training programs, and also what are the essential things required for the training. And we'll see different training methods, and we'll see competency building technique, etc. Then employees participation, how the employees will participate with respect to safety suggestion schemes or any safety day celebrations, awards and recognition, etc. Then we'll see human behavior and conflict and frustration also. So how this will affect the safety culture, and also how this conflict and frustration will leads to accidents. Then management information system, it is nothing but MIS, monthly review meetings, how a management will do the review of the safety performance in an organization. Okay, that is about IS 101. So any questions as of now with respect to 101? Are we good? Okay. Yeah. So definitely I need your participation. Please be attentive. Okay. So if you're not responding, I can understand that I'm not teaching well. If you have anything, just say yes or no. If you have any question, just unmute yourself. You can ask me anytime. Okay. Yeah. Next paper is Safety Engineering 1, which is also called as IS 102. Okay. Yeah, this paper talks about a few topics with respect to the machines and machine guarding, then material storage, etc. So the first topic talks about the machine operating and guarding. So there we'll talks about the various types of machines and those guards. Then safety in the use of machines. we'll talk about different types of machines and what kind of safety precautions to be followed while operating those machines. Then material handling, here majorly we'll talk about two methods. One is manual material handling and mechanical material handling. So manual material handling will be by using the human energy. So the activities we do on shifting, lifting, carrying of different materials. And with respect to mechanical, we use n variety of equipments for handling of those weights. I mean to say that material handling. Then we talks about working at heights. And also there we talks about various platforms also. Then we'll talk about hand tools and the portable hand tools. Then plant design and housekeeping. So what are the various essential, I mean to say that the provisions which need for a plant with respect to in part of safety design. And also we talks about housekeeping, and also we cover 5S concepts as well. Then we talk about industrial lighting and illumination. So there we see a few Indian standards also. So based on the location, how many lux information will be there. And here also we'll talk about few legal requirements as well with respect to lighting and illumination. Then ventilation and heat stress. Then noise and vibration. Then we talk about electricity, electrical hazards and static electricity, lightning arresters, etc. Okay. This is about engineering 1. Then comes to engineering 2. It is a paper, as I mentioned. It talks about various different kinds of manufacturing processes or different kinds of industries. So as the mentioned here, we talk about agro industry. Majorly, we talk about sugar industries. Then we talk about textile industry. Then construction also we'll cover here. So you will have a revision kind of thing. So here also we talk about construction. Then we have a dedicated paper in the IS 108. Then we talk about IT industries as well and dock. Okay, those are the more focal industries we talk in IS 103. Then comes to 104. So a small hint. So we have less than a minute. Basically, whenever the time's over, it will automatically disconnect the call for your information. Okay. So IS 104